Hello students, today I want to share a few things on National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February every year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. It is celebrated every year to widely spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of the people to encourage as well as popularize science and technology. Students, I want to say about Sir C.V. Raman. Let's see Sir C.V. Raman's achievements. He was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly in India, received the Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman is one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman for his pioneering work on scattering of light. C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchinappalli, Tamil Nadu. He entered Presidency College, Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907, C.V. Raman passed his MA obtaining the highest distinctions. In 1917, Raman was offered the position of Sir Taraknath Palit Professorship of Physics at Calcutta University. He stayed there for the next 15 years. During his tenure there, he received worldwide recognition for his work in optics and scattering of light. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924 and the British made him a Knight of the British Empire in 1929. In 1930, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded with Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering of light. The discovery was later christened as Raman effect, work on scattering of light. Other investigations carried out by Raman were his experimental and theoretical studies on the diffraction of light by acoustic waves of ultrasonic and hypersonic frequencies and those on the effect produced by X-ray on infrared vibrations in crystals exposed to ordinary light. In 1947, he was appointed as the first national professor by the new government of independent India. He retired from the Indian Institute in 1948 and a year later, he established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore, where he worked till his death. Sir C.V. Raman died on November 21, 1917. Students, on the occasion of National Science Day, let's enjoy small experiments by our school students.
This is experiment to study of volcano. Material needed: baking soda, vinegar, a container to hold everything and avoid a big mess, paper towel or a cloth. Procedure: place some vinegar into your container. If you have food color, you can place it. Now place some baking soda into your container. Oh wow! You can look it. Observation: it rapidly of the baking soda in your container. What's happening? The baking soda is a base, while the vinegar is an acid. When they react together, they form carbonic acid, which is very unstable. So it rapidly freezes over the container. Thank you.
My experiment name is respiration takes place. Material needed: one plastic bottle with tight lid, straw and Procedure: take the lid of a bottle, make 2 holes in the lid, fit straw in each of the holes, tie the balloon tightly and put it in the bottle. Observation: blow the air in the bottle, we can see the balloon will be shrunk. This is first observation. Now second observation. Shove the air in the bottle, we can see the balloon inflates. Consolidation: in this way, respiration takes place. Thank you.
The aim of my experiment is to observe the properties of magnet. For that, we required magnet and paper clip. Let's see the procedure. Take a bar magnet and add few pins. You find that pin get attached towards magnet. Bring some pins near the pins which are stuck to magnet. Look what we observe. We find that those pins are attracted towards pin. The conclusion of experiment is magnet comes in contact with iron particles or objects, induced magnetism is produced. Thank you.